So, you want to make your own shower gel slash bubble bath, but don't quite know where to start? Tell you what, you better grab a seat because this one is for you. It's not only moisturizing, it's super gentle and suitable for the whole family. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Vigoh TV. You already know what we're making today, so let's get right into it. Make sure your workstation and utensils are well sanitized. We don't want to have all those unfriendly, incy, wincy microbits messing with our precious goodies. Now I am adding my xanthan gum. I'm measuring out my xanthan gum into an empty jar. That is going to be followed by some distilled water. Now, always use distilled water when it comes to formulating cosmetics. Never use tap water. I repeat, never use tap water, mainly because tap water comes with some extra chemicals which we do not want getting into our formulas. So, in essence, always use distilled water, deionized water. You know what I mean? Hey, let's get to stirring. Moving forward, I'm going to keep stirring this vigorously. The idea is to get the xanthan gum to hydrate. Now, I should mention that I have provided the full list of ingredients used somewhere further on in the video, so be sure to keep watching. Now I am adding my plant hydrosol. Feel free to use any plant hydrosol of your choice, be it rose, lavender, whatever pleases you. I am also going to be vigorously stirring this in, making sure it is blending with the gum and water. It is very important that you use a good grade of xanthan gum. My own source of xanthan gum is very reliable, so I am very confident whenever I'm working with my gel. So be sure to get a very good grade of xanthan gum. I can't emphasize that enough. Look who is coming to join the party. It's aloe vera. Now I'm adding some aloe vera gel to the mix, and we're going to mix. More power to your elbows, your wrist, or whatever. I'm going to be speeding up this part just so as to not bore you with all the mixing. Stir until, wait for it, here it comes. A nice transformation. Can you see? I should get this closer so you can see how beautiful our gel is looking. See that? Now I'm going to set that aside while we prepare our surfactant phase. On to the next phase now. We have a surfactant. I'm measuring out some Lauryl glucoside now. I must say, these surfactants I'm using, they are very gentle, really gentle. They are derived from coconut and fruit sugars, and the best part, they are biodegradable. You guys, I'm all for saving the planet. Yeah, saving our planet, yay. Now, if I were to sell this shower gel, I will would most certainly be making absolutely precise measurements, but since I'm not, I'm very okay with going a tiny bit under or above the measurements. So if you're going to be selling anything like this, everything has to be accurate. I mean, when you make for yourself, you already understand your skin. You know your skin, what your skin needs, what your skin can tolerate. Someone buying from you could have a sensitive skin or any other skin type totally different from yours. So be sure to keep it neat and follow the rules. Next ingredients I'm going to be adding to the surfactant phase is my fragrance. I'm going to be adding it in and I'm going to be mixing up afterwards. But before I do the mixing, let me bring it closer to you guys so you see what it's starting to look like. How lovely is that? Also, our water phase looking all glam. I'm going to be combining the two phases to make one luxurious shower gel. But before I do that, I'm going to be gently stirring the surfactant. Also stirring the xanthan. Yeah, you should stir the xanthan as well. So I'll stir the xanthan and gently add it into the surfactant phase, making sure to get everything in there. Yeah, get it all in, all in, all in, all in. I'm not about to let anything go to waste here. So, did I mention to you guys that this is my very first video? Yep, my very first YouTube video. So, if you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And here, one thing you could do, you should do please, is to leave me a comment at the comment section, to let me know how you think I did. Did I do good? Did I not? Just let me know what you think of this video. And if you like it, you could share. And remember, give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe if you would like to see more, because really there are more from where this came from. I mean, there are so many good stuff that I would like to share with you guys, and I promise you all are going to love them. Now back to our formula, you might notice that this is starting to thin out a bit, but not to worry because we are not done yet. First, I'm going to be adding my lactic acid. Before I do that, I'll have to check the pH. I'll be taking this pH just to show you the difference between now and later. Checking. Oops, you see that? That is way too alkaline. That's not what we want. So I'm going to be adding my lactic acid. Don't worry about the ingredients, there's a list somewhere in this video, you will find it. I am adding my lactic acid, which I had pre-measured out, and I'm going to mix. And as you can see, it has thickened back up. Magic! Yeah. Now I'm going to check the pH again. I'm aiming for 5.5 to 6. Check. And that is perfect. So I'm going to be adding my preservative. I'm adding preservative right now. Yeah, Yes, preservative, it is very necessary. This part is not optional. So we are going to be mixing that in, and guess what? This is our final mix. Yes, because we are done. You have just created your own shower gel bubble bath. Yeah, lots of bubbles. So that's it. It's not only moisturizing, like I said earlier, it is super gentle. Your whole family will love it. So thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like and share, and do not forget about those comments. Yeah, I'll be reading. Until next time, bye bye.